How to fix iPhone iTunes store not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iTunes store not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this particular error gives you a pop-up that says this Apple ID has not yet been used in iTunes store. So to fix this, open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down. And first, make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi and make sure that the Wi-Fi is strong and stable. And after you do that, you can then scroll down until you find the option called screen time. Tap on screen time and then scroll down again till you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and there you'll find iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and installing apps. Tap on it and make sure that it is selected on allow, and after you do that you can then head back. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings again and then general. After that, check for any software update available, and if there is a software update available, update it. Now head back again and scroll down, and there you'll find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then reset all of your settings. Tap on reset all settings and you should be good to go. Now restart your device once, and now your iPhone's iTunes store should be working just fine. And that's basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.